Greetings people, welcome to the channel. I don't know, it's AP, and today we're in Lamin Mandenari, the beautiful community of Lamin Mandenari, and today I want to talk to you guys about the types or types of land use in the Gambia. So make sure you stick and stay to the channel. Me and the queen they're out here in our bobby socks and short skirt. You know what I got that
to me now.
bobby socks and short skirt. Hey, so you roll out when you're a queen, you know, you even anything look good on you, you just put it on and you just roll out. So, Jody,
Yes,
welcome
yes,
to the channel again. You've been missing. People miss you, huh?
Oh, really?
Yes.
I've been very active since of late. Anyways.
So, we're in a beautiful Lamin Mandenari. What do you think about this?
I think Lamin Mandenari is a beautiful area.
Mm.
It's a huge community. I mean, Lamin itself, the area of Lamin is a big community, and Mandenari is part of that community. So that's why it's Lamin Mandenari.
Yeah. So, what I was saying is, the land use type, right, in the Gambia, most of them is agricultural land. So what happens is when you purchase a land like this one, for example, behind me, you're gonna have to change the use of the land to residential or commercial based on what you want to use it for. So yeah, Lamin community, as you can see, is residential. If you look over there, you see a fence building, right? You see the street light that tells you this area is a residential area, not an agricultural area, right? But you can possibly change this to like a commercial use land or maybe a mixed use land to do both residence and commercial in this location. But I like it. It's a very nice location. Yeah, so since as we're about community building, guys, you know, this is possibly our second project because our phase one Lamin Mandenari is completely sold out. So congratulations to everybody who is now a landowner in Lamin Mandenari phase one, and phase two will be in this community. We can confirm it right now, right?
Yeah.
So phase two is here. This is phase two. So like guys, when you purchase in phase two, consider doing like roads. You know, sometimes it's good to come together and develop the community. This is how you contribute back to, you know, African, you know, to say thank you to the people for allowing us to be a part of their community and stuff like that. So
Yeah.
what do you think?
That's so true. To be honest though, based on what I've understood thus far, the road, you'd have to get in touch with the people that do roads in order to, because you know, you can't just come as an individual and just fix a road.
That is true.
So there are protocols that you must follow. These are some of the things that we want to do as a company as well, but it's gonna take us time. We can bite more than we can chew, you know.
Exactly.
So,
wow, look at this residence.
It's a nice building.
Oh shit, is this like 100 meters long wall?
It seems to be 100.
Or 100 or more? So
Yeah,
guys, you want to know 100 by 100 length in terms of wall? This is it.
How many courts?
From here to here, this is how many course. So sometimes when you're building your fence, guys, you have it by the course. So the course start from under the ground.
Here.
No, yes, because I think it go like three blocks down and then it come up. How much is it?
14.
14 course plus the 3 underneath. That's 17 course, right? So this is a 17 course wall. Yeah, privacy there. You can see the light post, as I say, it's within a residential zone, right? There's a farm here, like a community farm. As I said, guys, most of the lands.
This area seems to have been on farming as well, AP.
Which one?
This one.
Yeah.
That we just passed.
Most of the lands in the Gambia are like, you know, farmlands until you change the use, right? And yeah, so.
Yeah, and most like in the city areas, you will find more like commercial and residential land use, because we're talking about land use now. So the land use would be more based on residential and commercial, or it's mixed. But like when you go further out in the countrysides, you will get more like
agriculture
based. And so most of those lands you will have to change the use of it to commercial or
areas like Pirang, Faraba, Foni, going back that side is mostly land for farming. However, people, there's residents around there and stuff like that. So whoa.
Oh, the sun is hot today, guys.
Very hot.
But
that's why the energy is so low right now. But anyways, guys, we will do an official video of this place here, so you guys can get to see drone flight, stuff like that, in our next video. But this one we want to just talk about. Just wanted to focus on the land use. You know, what are the most common types of land use in the Gambia, and agriculture is the most common type of land use here. Then residents, you know, there's still a large percentage of the Gambia that is unoccupied. So most of the lands in the Gambia is farming basically, right? But you know, the population is growing and more people are moving or living in the Gambia. So the residential side of things is increasing, especially over the past year, with so many people coming back to the Gambia and building and, you know, starting business and stuff like that. So residential is getting big right now. So yeah, guys, we're up on the job. You see, you know, office suit today. Let me extend this up here properly. It's not office suit today. Yeah, it's regular road move today. So we're in the community of Lamin, Mandinari, peaceful place. Our phase one is like,
well, let's not say Lamin, because I'm not sure if we're still in Mandinari.
Yeah, we are in Mandinari, I think. Yeah.
Okay.
And the river is just over that side.
I would love to see the river if we can today. But let's see.
Today I'm so tired. And phase one is already sold out. So yeah, shout out to everybody there. What else I have to say?
And guys, if you haven't catch the Pirang phase 3 yet, make sure to do so.
I was just about to talk about
Make sure to
Pirang
do
phase
so
3.
Because it's going, guys. It's going.
Almost finished.
You know, remember phase 1 and phase 2 sell off. And now we have phase 3.
Phase 3. Yeah. And I want to say shout out to everybody who purchased a plot of land there. Thank you for trusting our service, and we always deliver what we say we're delivering as a company. Oh, also we need to make sure we drop this right now while we're talking about it, make people know. Listen, Biamolan is a separate entity from Queen Jodi
and AP.
Queen Jodi and AP, yes, we are founders of that company, but it's a separate company that operates by itself. So do not text the company line asking for Queen Jodi and AP.
Thank you so much.
Ask for the sales team.
And don't write email addressing Queen Jodi and AP, please.
Queen Jodi and AP, mistake. Yeah, it's cool. I mean, if we're available, we'll talk to you guys. We've spoken to a lot of families, you know, taking them on the ground, showing them around what the land is like, and yeah. So that's it, guys.
And if you haven't yet subscribed, guys, please do. Like this video, share, and also subscribe to the channel for more real estate travel vlogs. Yes,
correct.
From Queen Jodi and AP.
Look. So we are gonna travel now like this. Yeah.
So right now we're based in Gambia. Who knows? Maybe next tomorrow,
Ghana.
We'll be going to Ghana.
Where would you want to go? Where else would you want to go?
First, I wanted to go to Guinea-Bissau and Sierra Leone, and then I wanted to check out the western areas first, and then I know Ghana is in the west, but Ghana is a bit further from Guinea-Bissau and those places.
Also, guys, we have some new properties coming up for all of, you know, our people who's been asking us if we have access to houses and stuff. We have some new house coming up. I'm just checking what that is. Or is that good? We have some new house coming up. We're gonna do some house tours shortly. So if you're coming to the Gambia, you need a place to stay, yeah, hook us up. We have them. We're going out again to tour some more. So make sure you stick and stay. But I'm gonna show you guys this land. You know, let me show you guys some. Guys, this is only exclusively for you. Well, everybody else will watch it now, so I guess it's not exclusive no more, right? As you can see how the land is, right?
Fairly clean.
It's fairly clean. This is easy.
1 or 2 trees.
Pay somebody come chop out. Some people are gonna even have cashew tree on their land. Lamin Mandinari, guys.
And probably Coney tree as well.
Yeah. May I say Lamin Mandinari because our phase one is just around there. It's just right at the back right there. So this is Lamin Mandinari area, yes. And you can see the land is very flat, it's very nice. I can tell by the soil that there's no flooding going on here based on the level of the land as well. Some people will have coney trees, some people will have cashew trees, you know, see cashew trees there. Depends on who buy. I realize that the local people, they really love Lamin, like seriously. Like,
yeah, for
Lamin
real.
Mandinari is...
Most of Lamin Mandinari was sold out to locals, and it was an awesome experience working with our local brothers and sisters.
That's true.
So
yeah, people, them land here, these lands are prime land. They ask anybody about Lamin and they will tell you.
I mean, Lamin, as we say, is not far from the airport.
Not far from the river.
It's not far from the Lamin.
Yes.
What's that?
Lodge.
Yeah, Lamin Lodge.
Guess what? What would you build on this land, Jody? Let me ask you before. What would you build on this land?
I would build an investment property.
You would build an investment property?
Whether to let it in terms of renting apartments, or I would build something commercial.
Something commercial?
Yeah.
Like what? Like the... But apartments would be commercial, so... Yeah,
apartments, the top number top thing I would do here.
Is this gonna get to you or what? I don't understand. So yeah, I agree with you. I can see, like, you know, if it's not a community with housing and stuff, I can see some apartments going up where people can, you know, live and rent it out and make money.
Yeah.